What if you could reach 500 prospects today, personally across LinkedIn, email, and WhatsApp, and AI that works in your voice, across channels 24/7? It doesn't just send messages, it has conversations, and it books meetings. First, I teach the AI who I am and how I communicate. Then I tell it what my company does and what we sell. Finally, I define my ideal prospect: the roles, the seniority, the industries, the company size. 3 steps. The system now understands me, my product, my audience, and exactly who to go after. Type in one company name. The system pulls everything: what they do, their size, their products, their latest news, their pain points, their recent activities, all of it in seconds, and there's no limit. I can research 100 companies, 500, 1,000 in a single day. Leads are generated matching my exact criteria. Every single one is fully enriched: email, phone, LinkedIn, recent activity, not just names on a list, real intelligence on real people. The system writes a message specifically for this person. It references their company, their role, their recent activity. This is not a template. This is a conversation starter built from real context. These message references your role, products, and your preferred voice and send out messages across LinkedIn, email, and WhatsApp, and many other channels. When they reply, the AI responds in real time in your voice. It handles the conversation, answers questions, and moves toward a meeting. The meeting gets booked and shows up in my calendar. All of this happened while I was doing something else. FlowSales: research, generate lead, enrich lead profile and contact, engage and convert. Visit www.flowsales.in